Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are thrilled to offer this KTM Duke 125, registered the 24th of May 2021 on a 21 plate with 2,886 miles and benefiting from service history. This is not a toy, it's a genuine motorcycle, up there with the best in its class and better equipped than some of the big bikes. ABS as standard, now it's at that forefront again with an LED headlight, a TFT display, and KTM MY RIDE. It isn't here to play games, it's built with the same attitude as its bigger brothers, and it shows. The 4-stroke single-cylinder has fuel injection, and a slick 6-speed transmission delivers class-leading performance with low fuel consumption to keep you riding for longer. This bike would leave us serviced where required, with a full pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT, and 3 months warranty. The option to extend to a 12 or 24-month warranty is also available. We can deliver this bike to anywhere in the UK. We also offer a wide range of finance. Please note we have a small admin fee of £75 on all of our bikes. For more information, please contact us on 01424444448 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon.